Hey guys, I know, you haven't seen me in a while, right? If you happen to just be browsing and you run into my channel, please like and subscribe. And to all FK gang, the camera girl is back. So, I have a lot of fun things to show you guys. As you know, I've been doing like some weight loss smoothie, weight loss juice, while the camera girl was on vacation. But let me tell you something. She brought back a lot of goodies. And I just want to share the goodies with you. Ta-da! Here we go. She brought me back 3 dozen Jamaican patties. Look at that. Oh my God. 3 boxes. Over here, I'm a snapper fish them. 2 things of snapper fish. The one at the bottom. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Over here, I have to open this. Oh, this is Buster. Love Buster. And Bammy. There's a Bammy. Let me open this. This. I'm so excited for this. OMG. Guys, I'm so excited. Oh my God. This is East Indian mangoes. Look at that. Look at my mangoes. OMG. No, I have to eat these. Guys, I have to. I'm so sorry. I have to have a piece of this mango.
Oh, darling.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh. It just melts in my mouth. I think this is Julie. That one is a Julie mango. Oh my God. No. So, all the weight that I lost, I'm gonna be putting it right back on. Just from the mangoes alone. Oh my God. No, I'm not finished yet. Guys, 1 whole leaf of peanut cake. I'm gonna tell you now, I'm gonna put on back the weight. And for this, me not mind. Peanut drops and coconut drops and grater cake. I wholesale this. Oh my God. May I listen to the phone call them coming in? I know the phone call them are gonna come in. Alright guys, look over here. So I'm gonna get bun. What the Jamaican them there? So I'm gonna get my sandwich biscuit. Or my Jamaican crew them there. So I'm gonna get my sandwich biscuit them. I love the biscuit, but I don't like the cream. Bulla, to eat with pear and piece of chicken. Lord Jesus. Oh my God, guys. You know them here for the camera girl. She like our big foot, them and our small foot and our wide foot and our broad foot. Guys, it's not done yet, you know. It's not done yet at all. Wanna just wait. That's just the beginning. Wanna remember the expensive banana chips that we should get over here? We should get our banana chips them there. Them peanut sweetie here is mine. My peanut sweetie, mine. My peanut sweetie. Alright guys, now open up a shop. I'm opening up a shop. You see our cheese strips them? Shall I go through them so fast? Because when she eat them, you know what she say, guys? I have to eat them quick before them get stale. Oh man. No man, this is too much for my counter. My counter can't even fit. And so I forgot to put some cut and we hide some of it. So guys, if you don't love dry food, come hang out with we. You know we eat a lot of good food, but what for dry food there today? Look at the counter, guys. It come like it's a wholesale ma have. Look at all this dry food. She have all kind of chips to herself. Me tell you about this big foot and this little foot and this medium foot, this hot foot and sweet foot. Man. So I get a spice bun here also. The spice bun turn back way. To get them coconut thing here for me. This is what? Snackable. Cream crackers. I love Jamaican cream crackers. And the bull of them. And see the counter there. See the counter there, guys. But you don't know what me want. Me want mango. Jesus wept. So okay guys, I want to give a big shout out to my adopted daughter and my cousin in Jamaica. I totally forgot about the rum and she sent me this. Thank you, Pinky. I'm gonna get drunk. And my cousin, she's the one that was responsible for the buster damage. And my bammies for me to eat with my fish. So thank you so much, Kadeen. Fergie loves you. And so guys, remember, please remember, don't miss out on the next video coming up because it's going to be a whole lot of fun. All right. Guys, thank you so much for watching our Jamaica haul. But we have a lot of fun things coming up, fun videos. She did the 14 parishes in Jamaica, so stay tuned. She did lots of beaches. She did Green Grotto Cave. She was like from one side of the island to the next, one end to the next. So guys, you have to keep watching because it's just gonna be fun and great sceneries. She did zip lining, she did horseback riding. I don't know what she didn't do, but I'm glad she came back in one piece. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.